our battalion is a home and hearth battalion. The home and hearth concept is son of the soil. Means the personnel in my battalion are from this area only. As far as we are concerned, we are the pioneers here. I would proudly say of imparting skill development initiatives in the region of Kupwara. We have got what we did was we got to know the government schemes which are already available. I would take the names of there is a scheme called Himayat, there is a scheme called HSRT Hunar Se Rozgar Tak, there is a scheme called Jan Shikshan Sansthan, and many more. So what we did was all these schemes which are already there, but the people were not being able to get benefit of these schemes because of the knowledge and because of the reach of those organizations to the people. So we became a bridge between these governmental schemes and the people and facilitated their implementation here. So I would proudly say we engaged around more than 5 to 7,000 youth in these skill development programs. Also from these we have generated around employment for the youth around 500 people who have already started working for various institutions in the hospitality industry, with the local firms, and whoever got skill development from those centers, they have started working there as instructors. So the engagement was such that people were very happy. Youth should not be misguided and go in a wrong direction. To some extent, we are contributing in not letting that happen. We organized 2 camps for the youth of Kupwara, especially from the far-flung areas of forward areas of Tangdhar, Gurez, and we got around 50 people twice. We trained them as to what is required for them to enter the army as far as their physical requirements are concerned, intellectual requirements, and other documentary and medical requirements. All those we got them here for 4 weeks, and again the response was very good. They were very happy, and they demanded that more such camps should be organized. Unfortunately, this year, due to the COVID pandemic, the recruitment process had not yet started. The concept of arming goodwill schools is again an age-old concept. This is part of Operation Sadbhavana, wherein again an opportunity is provided to the people who want to get educated, and the standard should be good as any other city of the rest of the country. So the Army Goodwill Schools provides that platform at a very nominal rate. The fees and everything are very low, absolutely affordable. The infrastructure is very good. I would not say state of the art, but very good. Better than most of the schools here. And the best part is the attention which is being given by the teachers and the administration. We are part of the management and administration for the development of those kids is phenomenal. So they have been performing very well. This school has completed more than 10 years. They have been doing very well. The alumni of this school are all around the state and the country doing very well. So yeah, again that's a very good thing which is happening here.
हमारे डॉक्टर साहब हैं यूनिट के कैप्टन जय किशन, उन्होंने मुझसे डिस्कस किया कि वो सीएमओ कुपवाड़ा से किसी न किसी वजह से मुलाकात उनकी होती रहती है। इसके पहले भी हमने कोविड के समय में एसडीएच कुपवाड़ा के साथ में कोलैबोरेशन किया था और अपनी तरफ से अपनी मर्जी से जो है उनको कोविड रिलेटेड इक्विपमेंट और साजो सामान जो है उनकी मदद की थी। तो इस इंटरेक्शन के चलते डॉक्टर साहब ने मुझे एक दिन ऐसे ही चलते हुए बताया कि एसडीएच कुपवाड़ा में एक हफ्ते में 130 यूनिट्स ऑफ ब्लड की रिक्वायरमेंट एक वीक में होती है, एंड जो डायलिसिस पेशेंट्स वगैरह आते हैं समटाइम्स दे फॉल शॉर्ट, एंड ब्लड डोनेशन का जो कुपवाड़ा में कभी कभी होता है बट उतना ज़्यादा यहाँ पे नहीं हो पाता, जिसकी वजह से उसका कमी रहती है। तो हमने उनके डिस्कस किया सीएमओ कुपवाड़ा से, एंड एज ए नोबल जेस्चर, एज ए ह्यूमैनिटेरियन जेस्चर, नीडी को सही समय पे ब्लड की जो है रिक्वायरमेंट की कमी महसूस ना हो, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप का आयोजन किया है। इनिशियली वी हैड डिसाइडेड कि हम 100 यूनिट ब्लड देंगे सभी ऑल रैंक्स ऑफिसर जैसे ओवर, लेकिन जब हमारे यूनिट में इसकी अनाउंसमेंट हुई तो लोग अपने आप ही बढ़ चढ़ के आ गए और अभी हमें 130 ने ऑलरेडी नाम दे दिए हैं कि हम ब्लड डोनेशन करेंगे और भी आते जा रहे हैं। तो बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम श्योर दैट वील बी एबल टू डोनेट 150+ यूनिट्स ऑफ ब्लड, and as a humanitarian gesture, blood will be available to the needy, hopefully to the needy in SDH Kupwara. आर्मी का मोटो रहा है कि सर्विस और सेवा, मतलब कि हम नौकरी करेंगे, देश की हिफाजत करने के लिए बॉर्डर पे भी जाएंगे, लेकिन जहाँ पे हमें सेवा का मौका मिलेगा जो हमारी आवाम है उनका, उसमें भी हम लोकल सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ में पूरा हाथ बटाएंगे और उनकी मदद करने के लिए हमेशा आगे आते रहेंगे। एक छोटी सी हमारी तरफ से, बहुत छोटी एक कंट्रीब्यूशन है टुवर्ड्स द ह्यूमैनिटेरियन कॉज।